Hello everyone. Namaste. How are you all? Are you all fine? Good? Okay, give me thumbs up if you're fine, if you're happy, if you're good. Give me thumbs up. Good. Yes, I'm also good. I'm also fine and this is my thumbs up. Okay, so yes, I'm here again with a revision video and today we are going to learn about letter I. Yes, letter I. Yeah, this is capital I and this is small I, and we are going to learn the sound of this letter, and also we are going to know few items that has beginning sound related to letter I. Okay, all right. Are you all excited? Okay, yes. So this is letter I, and the sound of letter I is, I'll give you a hint. She is my pet, Inky. Yes, she is my pet. Her name is Inky. My name is Inky. Yes, her name is Inky. So can you guess what could be the sound of letter I? Do you remember a mouse with the whiskers? Yes? Okay, you got it. Very good. Yes, the sound of letter I is E. Okay, pretend as if we all are mouse and we have whiskers. Okay, E. Very good. E. Excellent. That's great. So the sound of letter I is E. E. Inky. E. 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 Okay. Okay, now that you know the sound of letter I, that is E. So now we are going to go through the pictures and the words that have beginning sound E. Okay, so you know what is this, right? This is an igloo. What is this? Igloo. Yes, say again. Igloo. Very good. Let's do it together. Okay, let's do the action too. Igloo. Igloo. Yes, great. That's wonderful. And what is this? This is an ink bottle. Okay, this is an ink. So let's do ink. Ink. Very good. When we say ink, the beginning sound is E. Okay, ink. And what else I have? Insects. A ladybug and a butterfly. These are insects. What are these? Insects. Say again. Insects. Very good. So let's do with the action, okay? Insects. 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 Very good. Thank you. And now next one is, what is, do you remember this? It's like a lizard. Yes, can you guess the name? Iguana. Yes, iguana. Very good. Look at it. Iguana. Let's do it together. Iguana. Iguana. Very good. Okay, and tiny little mouse, my pet animal, and her name is Inky. Inky. Isn't she so cute? Yes, is she cute? Yes, she's very cute. Inky. And look at her whiskers. They are lovely, isn't it? Look at her whiskers. They are lovely. Yes. Okay. And to wrap up this video, let me sing a song for you related to letter I. E sound. Okay. All right. So are you all ready? Please do the action along with me. Okay. Inky the mouse is my pet. Once again. Inky the mouse is my pet. She spilled the ink over bed. The ink she spilled all over the bed. Inky got wet. Yes, this Inky is little naughty sometime, and what she did today, she spilled the ink. Yes, she spilled the ink over the bed, and she got herself wet. Very good. Wet. Yes, he was wet. Okay, so this was the revision video for letter I. That says sound. Okay, so thank you for watching. Thank you for being so good. You all are very good children of Elena ma'am, isn't it? Okay, so bye bye. See you soon.